This exercise will lead you through using the LinkSlopeToSurface generic assembly, which will provide a surface target to the channel assembly that will seek the target assembly at a 25% slope. In this exercise, we will be creating another new assembly based on the channel assembly which we already have in the previous exercise. Just open this drawing from the description link. If you did not follow my previous exercise, I will put this drawing in the description link. Then if you did not get this assembly on screen, then you can go to the prospected tab, and here under the assemblies you will see channel. Then we have here just right click and then zoom to, so you can zoom like this on your assembly. Then locate a generic tab on your tool palette. Here we have a generic tab. As you can see, now we have not any target which need to target the surface. We have not any subassembly for target the surface, existing surface. We must need to add, and now we are doing this by generic links. We can also do that by daylight, but we can experience this using generic links. You can click here link width and slope. In the advanced parameter areas of properties palette, change the slope parameter to 25% and just enter. At the select point within assembly, just click on the right side of the channel and again on the left side of the channel. As you can see, the left surface target link appears, but it is sloping to the right instead of the left. This is one subassembly that does not automatically flip to the appropriate side. Just select the link slope to surface left side to activate the subassembly contextual tab, and then from the subassembly contextual tab, modify subassembly. Just select subassemblies properties. On the parameter tab, just locate the side input value. Here we have side which is now right, which under the default input value you can click and you will see left. Just select left and then press OK to dismiss, and then again press OK to dismiss the subassemblies properties. As you can see, now our subassembly assembly of channel has been completed, and these are the links which can target our existing surface. Adding a surface link to the channel assembly provide a surface target for the assembly. Now that you have added a link slope to surface, you will be able to specify your existing ground and as the surface target for a corridor, and the subassembly will grade between the top of the bank and the surface for you. You can achieve additional flexibility for connecting to existing ground with the more complex daylight subassemblies, as we will discuss them in the next section. Please stay tuned with us.